Hello everyone, so in this video I'm going to show you exactly how to install the multi-vendor apps from the app market. So I'm going to give this apps link on my description. You can see this, you can also search like that. You can search here, you can enter this name, and then you will get these apps, because my owner given me this link. Whenever I clicked here, and then I got this app directly. Okay, so let me find out these apps, and there are a lot of several apps. You can use one of them. Okay, so one moment. So there were multiple apps, so you can download one of them. And if you want to download exactly which I am using right now, and then also one more thing I want to tell you, you can also like filter build with Shopify. You will get only apps, those apps exactly created by Shopify, so you can exactly filter those apps and then you can use them. Most of them are free, you can use those thing, one of them. And yeah, according to your own need. Okay, so I'm gonna go back, and then I will go my previous multi-vendor marketplace apps. One second guys, it's taking load. So I'm gonna download this one. Okay, so I will click the install, and whenever I'm gonna install, and then after the install, I'm not gonna set up right now. I'm just gonna show you exactly how to install it and then how to set up into our store. And the next video I'm gonna show you how to use and how to connect in our store, and then how to exactly enable a lot of stuff. Okay, so I'll click the install, and you can see it's getting installed. So unfortunately this is paid, I'm not gonna install. Okay, so all I have to do, this is not my store, I have to change my store. Let's switch store, and then I'm gonna download on the Paradise, yes, on this store. Okay, so I'm gonna download here. You can switch according your own store, like previous store and first store. Okay, so I'm gonna take a screenshot, and then I will send to my brother. Okay, like this is paid, which one I'm gonna take. Okay, so I will give a screenshot. Okay, so I'm not gonna take full. I have to take this one, like plan, and then I will munch. Oh, not this, and this is store name mentioning here. Okay, I'm not gonna take this store name, because if I take this store name, my owner gonna ask me, hey, why you take this store? Because I changed this store name, which is this one. So I'm gonna install it. Let's see. Okay, so let's send to my notes. I will install. I will say that this is PA page plan PA what I will do. Okay, so I have given this. Okay, so now what I'm gonna do, okay, so I will go to my store, and from here it will be download, and then I'm not gonna do, I will delete the previous one. Okay, so this one, let's install it, and I have to wait for a few moments, and whenever I will be able to install, then I will show you. I have to take the plan. So I already messaged you to my owner, so whenever he gonna give me information, then I will exactly choose the plan. Okay, right now I will keep it as it is. So guys, I will keep this video here. So whenever I will take my decision, and then I will buy a plan, and then I will inform you, and then also I will show you how I do it. Okay, so thank you for watching this video so far. Waiting for the next part, and watch my video on the other places. Like I have a multiple channel, like a Creative Babu's channel, and a lot of channel, because we are uploading different type of content with the different niche. So that's the thing. So if you like this video, let us know, and please subscribe, and then get a notification when I upload new video. Thank you.